You might think constipation is just an inevitable part of aging, but did you know that recent research suggests 99% of digestive issues in older adults can be resolved naturally through food? Stay with me until the end, and you'll discover 5 gentle science-backed solutions that could help you feel more comfortable and energetic every single day. Have you ever wondered why your digestive system seems to slow down as you get older? As you know, it's not always easy to talk about these issues, but you're not alone in this struggle. Do you find yourself reaching for laxatives more often than you'd like? Is bloating and discomfort affecting how you feel throughout your day? Here's what many don't realize. Your aging digestive system doesn't need harsh medications. It needs the right nutritional support. Studies show that our digestive systems change with age, but experts recommend focusing on natural solutions rather than dependency-forming medications. The truth is, your body has an incredible ability to restore regularity when you give it the right tools. Are you ready to discover what those tools are? Let's start with something you might already know, but aren't applying correctly. Are you getting enough of both types of fiber in your diet? Most people focus only on insoluble fiber, but your digestive system actually needs a balance of both soluble and insoluble fiber to function optimally. Have you checked your daily fiber intake lately? Experts recommend that adults over 60 aim for 21 to 30 grams of fiber daily. But here's the key: it needs to come from the right sources. Here's something that might surprise you. Are you drinking water at the right times? Many people focus on drinking more water, but timing matters just as much as quantity. Do you notice digestive discomfort after meals? This could be related to how you're hydrating throughout the day. Studies show that proper hydration works hand in hand with fiber to keep things moving smoothly through your system. Have you been told that all probiotics are the same? This is one of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to improve their digestive health naturally. Your gut needs specific types of beneficial bacteria, and not all fermented foods provide what your aging digestive system requires. Is this something you've experienced, trying different probiotics without seeing results? The key is understanding which specific strains support regularity in older adults. If any of this sounds familiar to you, let me know in the comments below. Comment, "Help me understand," if you want to learn more about which specific foods can make the biggest difference. Now let me share the 5 foods that research shows can gently restore your digestive regularity. First, prunes, nature's gentle helper. Have you tried incorporating prunes into your daily routine? They contain both fiber and sorbitol, a natural compound that helps soften stool. Could you see yourself adding 3 to 4 prunes to your morning routine? Second, chia seeds, the tiny powerhouses. Are you familiar with chia seeds? When mixed with liquid, they create a gel-like consistency that provides gentle bulk and helps with water retention in your intestines. Would you consider adding a tablespoon to your morning smoothie or yogurt? Third, oats, your heart-healthy digestive friend. Do you enjoy oatmeal for breakfast? Oats contain beta-glucan, a special type of fiber that's particularly beneficial for digestive health in older adults. Have you tried steel-cut oats instead of instant varieties? Fourth, sweet potatoes, the comfortable carb. Have you noticed how easy sweet potatoes are to digest? They provide insoluble fiber while being gentle on your system, plus they're hydrating and nutritious. Could you try replacing regular potatoes with sweet potatoes a few times a week? Fifth, kefir, the probiotic powerhouse. Are you familiar with kefir? Unlike regular yogurt, kefir contains multiple strains of beneficial bacteria that specifically support digestive regularity. Have you tried adding kefir to your daily routine? Here's what I want you to remember. You don't need to change everything at once. Could you start with just one of these foods this week? Which one feels most appealing to you right now? The key is consistency, not perfection. Are you someone who prefers gradual changes? That's actually the best approach for lasting digestive health. What's truly encouraging about this research is that it shows your body's ability to heal and restore balance at any age. You have more control over your digestive health than you might think. Have you ever considered that the solution might be simpler than you imagined? Studies consistently show that natural dietary approaches are not only more effective than harsh laxatives, but also support your overall health and energy levels. Remember, aging doesn't mean surrendering control over your health. Every small choice you make matters, and these gentle changes can have an immediate impact on how you feel every day. You deserve to feel comfortable and confident in your body, regardless of your age. These natural solutions respect both your digestive system and your overall well-being. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more gentle, science-backed health tips designed specifically for adults over 60. And if you're still with me, comment "Feeling my best" below. Let's support each other in making choices that help us thrive at every stage of life. Ever wonder why you feel energetic and independent while others your age seem to struggle with basic movements? Let's dive deep into the hidden longevity secrets hiding in your everyday activities. You might think living to 100 requires perfect genes or elite fitness routines, but recent research reveals something far more surprising. 8 simple daily functions you perform without thinking could be the real predictors of exceptional health and longevity. Today we're exploring how seemingly ordinary movements can reveal extraordinary insights about your future vitality, especially if you're over 65. Important note: this isn't about perfection. It's about empowerment through understanding your body's amazing signals. Did you know that researchers have identified specific mobility markers as some of the strongest mortality predictors ever discovered? Studies show that grip strength, gait speed, and balance abilities are more revealing than many expensive medical tests. Here's what makes this fascinating. These aren't random physical skills, they're integrated windows into your cardiovascular health, muscle mass, nervous system function, and cognitive performance all working together. Ready to discover which 8 abilities could predict your path to 100? Let's begin. Function 1. Chair stands without hands. Can you push yourself up from a seated position using only your leg muscles? This simple movement reveals your lower body strength and core stability in ways that surprise most people. Here's why this matters. Every time you stand up, you're performing what researchers call a functional movement pattern. Your quadriceps, glutes, and core must coordinate perfectly. When this becomes difficult, it signals muscle loss that extends throughout your entire body. The metabolic insight: this movement requires explosive power that directly correlates with maintaining independence as you age. Function 2. Brisk walking speed. Can you maintain a pace of about 3 miles per hour? That's fast enough to have a conversation, but still feel like you're moving with purpose and energy. The hidden science here is remarkable. Your walking speed reflects your heart's efficiency, your muscles' oxygen utilization, and your brain's coordination, signals all happening simultaneously. Researchers call this your 6th vital sign because it's that predictive of overall health. Case study insight: people who maintain brisk walking speeds show dramatically lower rates of cognitive decline and cardiovascular events compared to slower walkers. Function 3. 10-second balance test. Can you stand on one foot with your eyes open for a full 10 seconds without wobbling? This tests something called proprioception, your body's remarkable ability to know where it is in space. Here's the fascinating part. Balance isn't just about your inner ear. It requires constant communication between your brain, nervous system, muscles, and joints. When this system starts failing, it's often the first sign of broader neurological changes. The empowering truth: balance is one of the most trainable abilities, even in your 80s and 90s. Function 4. Deep squatting movement. Can you lower yourself into a squat position and rise back up smoothly? This movement requires hip mobility, ankle flexibility, and leg strength, all working in perfect harmony. Think about this. Every culture that maintains active centenarians has this movement pattern deeply embedded in their daily lives. They squat to work, to rest, to socialize. It's not coincidence. The metabolic magic: squatting activates more muscle groups simultaneously than almost any other movement, making it a powerful indicator of overall functional capacity. Function 5. Carrying groceries upstairs. Can you handle moderate loads while climbing stairs without feeling winded or unstable? This combines grip strength, cardiovascular fitness, and coordination in one revealing test. Here's what researchers discovered. Grip strength alone predicts mortality rates with stunning accuracy. Your hands reflect the muscle mass and nerve function throughout your entire body. The surprising connection are people who maintain strong grips show better cognitive performance and lower rates of heart disease, even controlling for other factors.